Wanda the Whale loved to swish and swoosh through the sparkling ocean. One sunny morning, she felt a happy wiggle in her tail and burst out, "I have a wonderful idea. I want to do a water dance for everyone to see." She imagined twirls, swirls, and splashes with all her friends. "A big dance needs lots of dancers," Wanda thought. "I need my friends to help make it grand." With a flip of her tail, she sent a rainbow splash into the sky and cheered, "Yes, a water dance is just the thing to do!" Wanda swam off, humming a happy tune, eager to invite her friends. She pictured the colors, the sounds, and the happy faces of everyone watching. "Here I come, friends!" she called out to the sea. The ocean was full of possibilities and Wanda couldn't wait to share her idea. "Get ready for the best water dance adventure ever," she sang. Wanda found Sheldon the starfish, who was trying to spin but kept flopping over. "Sheldon, will you help with my water dance? You can be our star spinner," Wanda asked. "Oh yes, I love to spin," Sheldon giggled, trying a happy spin and landing upside down. Next, Wanda spotted Colin the crab, practicing his sideways walk but tripping over his big claws. "Colin, will you join our dance? Your clicky-clacky walk is perfect," Wanda encouraged. "With my clacky claws, yes," Colin agreed, giving his best sideways walk. Sheldon tried spinning again, arms wiggling everywhere, and laughed. "I'm a spinning top that flopped." Wanda giggled. "We'll practice together." Colin tripped and landed in the sand, sighing. "My claws are too clunky for dancing." "No, Colin, your claws make wonderful music," Wanda said, cheering him up. Both friends felt better, excited to be part of Wanda's dance. Maybe their silly moves were just what the water dance needed. Together they set off to practice. Wanda swam deeper and found the Jiggle sisters, Jenny, Josie, and June, floating like glowing bells. "Will you be our bobbing bell dancers?" Wanda asked. "Yes, yes, yes," they chimed, but their jiggles tangled them into a glowing knot. "Let's practice jiggling together, all in a row," Wanda suggested, and the sisters glowed happily. Then Wanda found Percy the pufferfish, hiding behind coral, feeling grumpy about his unpredictable puffing. "Percy, will you be our surprise poof?" Wanda asked gently. "I'm not good at poofing on purpose," Percy mumbled. "Your puff is amazing. It'll be the biggest surprise in our dance. We'll practice together," Wanda promised. Percy thought about it, then smiled. "A surprise poof? Okay." The team was growing, each friend bringing something special. Wanda's excitement bubbled. Her dance was coming together. The ocean felt brighter with every new friend. "Let's all practice and make this the best dance ever." Wonders song. Wandern dots and dice. Friends gathered, ready to try. The water dance was about to begin. Wanda gathered her friends in a sandy spot to try the dance. "Ready, set, dance," she called. But everything went wrong. Sheldon spun into Colin, who tumbled over, and they landed in a tangled pile. The Jiggle sisters bumped into each other, creating a glowing traffic jam. Percy, nervous, puffed up at the wrong time and bounced into the sisters, scattering them everywhere. Wanda stopped and looked at the mess. "Oh no, this isn't a water dance, it's a water disaster." She sighed. Her friends looked sad. Sheldon tangled, Colin grumpy, the sisters scattered, and Percy a spiky ball of worry. "I can't spin right," said Sheldon. "My claws are too clunky," said Colin. "We can't jiggle together," chimed the sisters. "I puffed at the wrong time," mumbled Percy. Wanda's wonderful idea seemed to be falling apart. Wanda saw her friends' sad faces and remembered why she wanted to dance. Fun and friendship. "It's okay, everyone. We're all trying our own special moves, but a team dance means working together," she said. Wanda suggested, "Sheldon, spin after Colin's clacky walk." "Colin, your walk can be the drum beat for Sheldon's spin." The friends nodded, ready to try. To the Jiggle sisters, Wanda said, "Line up and jiggle together like a glowing wave." The sisters practiced, their lights pulsing in perfect rhythm. "That's so pretty!" they chimed, no longer a jumble. Wanda turned to Percy. "Your poof is the grand finale. Wait for my tail wiggle, then shine." Percy smiled. "The grand finale. I can do that." Everyone felt hopeful, ready to try again as a team. Wanda's plan brought new energy to the group. They practiced their parts, listening and watching each other. The dance was starting to come together. "Let's do this, friends," Wanda cheered. The team was ready for another try. "Okay, team, from the top," Wanda cheered. This time, everyone listened and watched, working as a true dance team. Wanda's tail swished, setting the beat. Colin started with his click-clack walk, moving confidently across the sand. Sheldon spun next, graceful and sparkly, landing in a perfect starfish pose. The Jiggle sisters lined up, jiggling in harmony, glowing like a dancing ribbon. Their tentacles swayed, adding magic to the dance. Percy watched, waiting for his moment. No more grumpy faces, just friends having fun. Each friend's part fit perfectly with the others. Practice made their dance better and better. Wanda beamed with pride at her team. The water dance was almost ready for the big show. Everyone felt excited for what was next. As the sun set, the ocean glowed with excitement. Creatures gathered to watch Wanda's great big ocean water dance. Wanda swam in a graceful circle, setting the stage. Colin marched out, click-clacking proudly, his rhythm making everyone smile. Sheldon spun like a shining star, earning cheers from the crowd. The Jiggle sisters glowed and jiggled in a perfect wave, mesmerizing everyone. All the dancers moved together, creating a beautiful pattern. Wanda gave her special tail wiggle, Percy's cue. Percy swam to the center and went poof, a huge, spiky surprise that made the audience cheer. The friends danced around Percy, their show a sparkling success. They did it, together. The best fun, they learned, is the fun you make with friends.